Okay, so we certainly have seen all that Southlake has to offer, but what's great is James has agreed to come on board to film other places within the Northwest DFW suburbs. So tell us a little bit about what's next. What are what other towns that we're going to be visiting?
Sure. I look forward to introducing you to the other parts of the Northwest suburbs here in DFW. So the towns that we'll be visiting next, and we'll pick the dates of when we start viewing those, but the city of Grapevine, the city of Trophy Club, the city of Keller, the city of Colleyville, and the city of Flower Mound. So we'll be seeing those, and we may even go out to Coppell. So those are the cities that we'll be reviewing next, and we'll announce those cities as we start to move into those here moving forward over the next few months.
Awesome. Stay tuned.